Jai Hind everyone. So, in this COVID 19 situation, we all are at home, and from HL High School, some of the cadets have been participated under the guidance of One Maharashtra Girls Battalion NCC tree plantation program. So, here are the some cadets with their plans. Some cadets are giving speeches. So let us start.
Hi friends, hope you are happy at your home. I am Cadet Janvi Thurat from HL High School, Nasik, Maharashtra, from Maharashtra Girls Battalion, NCC, Mumbai. I am going to tell you about tree plantation. Tree plantation is the process of transferring of seedlings from one place to another for different purposes. There are various reasons behind tree plantation, but the most important are forestry, land reclamation, and landscaping. Each process of tree plantation is important and unique in its own way. The support of government is also a must for making the environment cleaner and greener. Trees are important as well as they are essential for living. They provide us oxygen, filter carbon dioxide, and maintain soil erosion. They cleanse the air. We can save trees by protecting them from destructive human activities like clearance of forest. Trees are lungs of the earth. As our school also celebrates tree plantation program in which students as well as teachers plant a plant sapling. National Tree Plantation Day in India is held annually from 1st July to 7th July. So friends, plant a tree in your home. Thank you Second Officer Pratibha ma'am, AO ma'am and CO sir for giving this golden opportunity. So take care.
Trees are not only our soil fertile, but they also generate consciousness in our lives. If we want to protect our civilization and culture, then we must plant more and more trees definitely. The trees do many things for human beings as they seem beautiful and also keep the air clean. The trees reduce the harshness of the weather. There are also so many types of trees that benefit us. The tree, the air, water, and soil pollution can be eliminated by the growth of trees from the atmosphere. They release oxygen, which is needed for every human being to breathe. Also, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Trees are the main important resource of rain. The trees are also habitats for many living species like insects, birds, and many animals. The trees are the source of fruits and flowers. They provide us ecological balance and also give us cool shade during summer. Save trees is the most important things nowadays. Hence, the trees are very much important for our life because trees are giving us healthy and wealthy life. In order to save our environment and make our earth green, we should plant as much as trees possible. They refresh air from toxic gases and prevent us from air pollution. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. Hope you all are safe and happy at your home. I am Cadet Radhika Ingole from HL High School, Nasik, Maharashtra, from One Maharashtra Girls Battalion NCC, Mumbai. Today I am give a speech about tree plantation. Importance of forestry method of tree plantation. The most common and now purpose of tree plantation is forestry. The forest is very important for maintaining the ecological balance of the environment of the earth. Also, earlier the forest used to cover a major part of the surface of the earth, but now due to the rapid cut down of forest due to industries and land for settlement, the number of forest has reduced. Apart from that, the forest grows naturally, but in order to increase the speed of reforestation. Our contribution is a must for it. Also, it will help the forest to recover from the loss due to deforestation. Furthermore, with our help, the place of tree plantation can be increased. Important of landscaping method of tree plantation. We do this type of plantation in cities or urban areas. Most of these areas lack trees and plants. Beside trees, plantation makes these areas living for. Also, it makes the atmosphere of the city more tolerable. In addition, it renders a good feeling and makes the place living. It is the earliest way to beautify the surrounding. Trees are often planted on the parks, gardens, roadside socialists of our home for the purpose to reforming. Beside, it does not only make the surrounding beautiful and also provides various other benefits and helps in breathing the heat. Thank you, Second Officer Pratibha Sonone, AO Madam, and CO Sir for giving this opportunity.